morning.
Good
How
morning. I am fine. You?
Very well, thanks.
Okay.
What's your name?
My name is José Luis Blanco Pinzón.
How old are you?
I am 63 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in the city of Bucaramanga.
Are you single or married?
I am single.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have a 6 years old daughter.
Who do you live with?
I live with my family. They are my mom, my brothers, and my nephews.
Where are you studying?
I am studying industrial engineer at the UNAT University.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are walking, singing, watching movies, documentaries, and reading.
Where do you work?
I work in a company that processes polyethylene. It is located in the industrial park.
All right. Can you tell me about yourself?
I am an intelligent person. I like to take on challenges. In my work, I am a companion person. I like to do my job well. I am a person who listens to the advice of others in order to improve my skills.
Good. Where are you strong?
My strength is the leadership. I have to direct activities. I like to plan. I like to delegate. I like to direct activities, and I can finish on time.
Good. Where are you weakness?
My weakness is that I am a nervous person to speak in public. Sometimes I forget what I am going to say.
Good. What are your biggest achievement in life?
My greatest achievement has been to have my own house. I bought in after a lot of work and effort.
Good. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
And in 5 years, I will see myself as a professional graduate from the UNAT University, contributing to the development of migration and helping other people to improve themselves.
Mm-hmm. Why do you want to leave your job?
Because I feel that my work has helped me to grow professionally, but I want to learn new things and be able to contribute more to my intellectual development.
Good. Why do you want to work for us?
I want to work for you because I know it is a very important company. It is a company that can help me to excel in my profession, and I would like to contribute my knowledge to the development of the company.
What are your salary expectations?
The expectations for my salary are those of a salary that gives me peace of mind and helps me achieve my goals and be able to provide stability of to my family.
All right.
Okay, thanks.